Welcome to Diamond Group of Institutions online classes. Okay, my dear students, in 3D 11.3 exercise, up to 9th problem means first to 8th problem we discussed before classes. So simple, easy method. You followed these solutions, you get more and more marks. Okay, so now we discuss 9th problem. So what is the 9th problem? It is also very important problem. So 9th one, 3 marks question. This one, 3 marks. Find the equation of the plane through the intersection of the planes, this one and this one, and on the point. So if you think it is one plane, if you think like this is another plane. Intersection of the planes. So the equation of the plane through the intersection of the planes. L1, this is L1, this is L2. L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. This is the equation. So simple, easy formula. L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. So L1 is first equation plus lambda. L2 means second equation equal to 0. This is equation number 1. L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. It means 3x minus 4y plus 2z minus 4 plus lambda into L2 means x plus y plus z minus 2 equal to 0. Equation number 1. This plane is passing through this point here. It means 2, 2, 1. The plane passes through the point 2, 2, 1. So you put x value, y value, z value this here. So what you get? 3 into 2 minus y means 2 plus 2 into z means 1 minus 4 plus lambda into 2 plus 1 x value 2, y value 2, z value 1 minus 2 equal to 0. So 6 positive 2 negative 2 cancel minus 4 plus lambda positive 2 negative 2 cancel 3. So subtraction of these goes to 3 lambda. 2 plus 3 lambda equal to 0. 3 lambda equal to, you take this side minus 2. Lambda equal to minus 2 by lambda value, lambda value, this lambda value put equation number 1 here. What you get? Put lambda in equation number 1. So 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 minus plus into minus 2 divided by 3, 2 by 3, x plus y plus z minus 2 equal to 0. Just simplify this to get the required equation. So simple. You first divided by 1. Do the LCM. LCM value is 3 divided by 3. That 3 you take that side, 0. 0 into 3, 0. So 3 you multiply these all values. Simple. What you get? 3 into 3, 9x. 1 into 3 minus 3y 2 into 3 plus 6 minus 4 into 3 minus 12 2 से सबको मल्टीप्लिकेशन minus 2x minus 2y minus 2z minus into minus plus 4 equal to 0. So here next x value 9x plus 2x 9x plus 2x sorry minus 2x 9x minus 2x plus 7x minus 3y minus 2y minus 5 plus 6z minus 2z means 4z plus 4z. Here constant, here also constant. So minus 12 plus 4 is minus 8 equal to 0. This is our answer. So intersection of the two planes L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. So L1 means first plane, L2 means second plane. Equation. Put the point. Get the lambda value. Then lambda value put equation number 1. You simplify this, you get the answer. Okay. Exercise number 11.3. 10th problem. It is also 3 marks. Important problem. Just 9th problem, 10th problem. What is the difference? So 9th problem, here Cartesian form. Equation of the plane is in Cartesian form. Here 10th question, equation of the plane is in vector form. Here also vector form. So that is the difference. Find the vector equation of the plane passing through the intersection of the planes. Same method. Intersection of the planes. So through the point 2, 1, 3. So two planes L1 and L2 are two planes L1 and L2 are two planes L1 and L2 are. So this one is L1 plane, this one is L2 plane. So L1 and L2. So 7 you take this side minus 7, 9 you take this side minus 9. So minus plus 7 you take this side minus 7, same as this, and r bar dot this vector plus 9 you take this side minus 9 equal to 0. Next, equation of the plane through the intersection of the planes means L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. Same formula. So L1 means this one. R bar dot 2 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 3 k cap minus 7 plus lambda into R bar dot 2 I cap plus 5 j cap plus 3 k cap minus 9 equal to 0. So this is L1 lambda plus L1 plus lambda L2. This is equation of the plane intersection of the two planes. This is one plane, this is another. Two planes are intersection. So intersection plane equation is this. Next, so first you multiply this lambda, this term and this term, two terms. So here lambda into r, lambda into minus 9. So as this plus lambda into r dot this vector minus 9 lambda equal to 0. Next, you multiply with this lambda, this term, this term, this term. So what is the common in these two terms? This इसमें से क्या common ले सकते हैं? So ये term and a term ये दोनों वो side है. It means minus 9 lambda you take that side plus 9 lambda minus 7 you take that side plus 7. नेक्स्ट ये दोनों में क्या कॉमन ले सकते हैं? मीन्स r bar is the common dot as it is प्लस लैम्डा से इसको मल्टीप्लिकेशन करें तो क्या होता है? ना तो as it is there. It means lambda into 2I cap plus 5j cap plus 3k cap as it is there. Later. Next, ये negative positive equation है. Next, first R bar as this. Here I component term take one side. Here j component term take one side. K component term take one side. Equal to 9 lambda plus 7 equal to 0. This is intersection of the equation. Answer E. But lambda value calculate करके. So lambda value calculate करके इसमें substitute किए तो आंसर. So lambda value calculation करने के लिए hint क्या दिया हम लोग? That intersection plane is passing through this point. So ये plane A side से और एक प्लेन A साइड से, ये टू प्लेन्स इंटरसेक्ट हो गए, ऐसा इंटरसेक्ट हो गया, ऐसा इंटरसेक्ट हो गया. कौन सा पॉइंट? ये पॉइंट. सो 2 1 3 R bar equal to 2I cap plus j cap plus 3k cap. So R bar we put here, equation 1. So 2I cap plus j cap plus 3j cap dot as it is. Next, equal to 9 lambda plus 7. Next, this is one vector, this is another vector. Two vectors dot product means you know a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2. It means a1 a2 means 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4 lambda. a1 a2 plus b1 b2 1 into 2 2 1 into 5 5 as this. Next 3 into minus 3 minus 9, 3 into plus 3 plus 9 equal to 9 lambda plus 7 as this. Clear? सुनो इधर कंफ्यूज इधर होते देखो. a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 मल्टीप्लिकेशन के लिए. सो प्लस 9 लैम्डा कैंसिल. ये 9 तो ये 9 लैम्डा एक डॉट साइड माइनस 9 लैम्डा प्लस 9 लैम्डा गेट कैंसिल. सो this 4 lambda plus 5 lambda is 9 lambda constant. These both 4 plus 2 6 minus 9 is minus 3. Here equal to only 7. So 3 minus 3 you take that side plus 3, 7 plus 3 10. So 9 lambda equal to 10. Lambda equal to 10 divided by 9. So this lambda value put equation number 1 here. इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट किए दोगे. ओके नहीं सर इधर डिफिकल्ट होगा बोले तो ऊपर स्टेप में सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. 9/10 इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट किया तो करने के बाद 9/10 इधर सबको 9 से मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना, इसको 10 से मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना, बाद में 9 से इसको मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना. करने के बाद तुम्हारे ये इक्वेशन पुट लैम्डा वैल्यू इन इक्वेशन 1. लैम्डा वैल्यू इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट करके सिंपलीफिकेशन किए तो ये सॉल्यूशन आता है. R dot this vector equal to 17. तुम सिंपलीफिकेशन करके वेरिफिकेशन करो, तुम्हारे मालूम होगा. नेक्स्ट, सो LCM 9. So 9 you take this side. 17 into 9 153. So R dot this vector equal to 153. It means R n cap equal to D. It is the intercept form of the equation of the plane. So R dot n cap equal to D form. So intersection of the two planes is which form is this? Vector form. Okay. So vector form given here. Vector form answer is here because of find the vector equation of the plane. So this is the vector equation of the plane. 11th problem. It is also 3 marks. Very important. So two planes given here, but perpendicular this plane. अभी तक इधर पॉइंट नहीं, सो इंटरसेक्शन प्लेन इज पासिंग थ्रू द पॉइंट ओरिजिन। अब कैसा है इंटरसेक्शन प्लेन्स, ऐसा इंटरसेक्शन प्लेन्स perpendicular to other plane, perpendicular to another plane, so two planes, for example a plane intersect हो रहा है, a side plane intersect हो रहा है, top perpendicular plane, right? So equation of the plane through the intersection of the plane L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. L1 means you know is this plus lambda, L2 means like this equal to 0. This is equation number 1. So next here you multiply this lambda, 2 lambda x, 3 lambda y, 4 lambda z, minus 5 lambda equal to 0. X common means 2 lambda plus 1, x common here, 2 lambda plus 1 into x plus 3 lambda plus 1 into y plus 4 lambda plus 1 into z minus 5 lambda minus common 5 lambda plus 1, this one. So this equation, it is a plane equation. Direction ratios a1 b1 c1, a1 b1 c1, a1 b1 c1 equal to 2 lambda plus 1, 3 lambda plus 1, 4 lambda plus 1, direction ratio. Next, given equation, plane equation is this, given plane equation is this, perpendicular plane equation is this. So here direction ratios are a2 b2 c2 equal to 1 minus 1 1, 1 minus 1 1. So these two equations, two planes are perpendicular. Perpendicular condition a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to 0. You know is this condition in vector algebra. So here 2 lambda plus 1 into 1 plus 3 lambda plus 1 into minus 1 plus 4 lambda plus 1 into 1 equal to 0. The product of these as this, product of these minus minus, product of this as this. So plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Lambda 4 lambda, 6 lambda minus 3 lambda, 3 lambda, 2 minus lambda plus 4 lambda is plus 3 lambda and plus 1. Plus 1 you take that side, lambda equal to minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. This lambda value put here, equation number 1. Minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. You simplify this equation, you get this one. Simple. So 3 you take that side, this is your answer. You simplify once again, you get this answer. Okay, thank you. Okay. Here, find the angle between two planes. Find the angle between two planes. First of all, angle between two planes. Cos theta equal to n1 cap dot n2 cap divided by modulus of n1 modulus of n2. Same formula. Cos theta equal to a dot b divided by magnitude of a, magnitude of b. Nothing but a1, n1, n2. Like this. So it is two plane equations. What is that? R bar dot n1 cap equal to b. R bar dot n2 cap equal to n1 n2. So n1 vector is this, n2 vector is this. So first of all, the angle between two planes formula is this. So simple. It is 2 marks. 2 or 3 marks. So cos theta equal to, first of all, what we calculate? n1 dot n2. n1 dot n2 means dot product. So dot product means you know a1 a2, a1 a2, b1 b2, b1 b2, c1 c2, c1 c2. So 2 into 3, 2 into minus 3, minus 3 into 5. So 2 into 3, 6, plus into minus minus, 2 into 3, 6, 6 cancel, minus 15. N1 cap dot N2 cap value is what? Minus 15. So dot product. First what we calculate? Dot product. Numerator okay. Next what about denominator? Magnitude of n. Magnitude of n. So magnitude of n means magnitude of n1 means square root of 2 square plus 2 square minus 3 square. 2 square means 4. 2 square means 4. Minus 3 square means less than. So total root 17. So magnitude of n2 square root of 3 square 3 square square root of 3 square plus minus 3 square plus 5 square. So 25 plus 9 plus 9 root 42. So angle cos theta equal to minus 15 in vector n1 dot n2. So n1 dot n2 is minus 15 magnitude divided by root 17 into root 43. Root 17 root 40. Root 17 root 40. Next magnitude means positive. Product of these both under root of 731. Cos, you take this side. Cos inverse of theta equal to cos inverse of 15 divided by under root of 731. Very very important. 2 marks or 3 marks. So 13th question 2 marks. Very very important. Maybe 3 marks. Right. First of all, note if two planes are L1 equal to constant 0 constant no problem. A1x plus B1y plus C1z equal to 0 and L2 A2x plus B2y plus C2 equal to 0. These both are two plane equations. So L1 L2 are perpendicular. Two planes are perpendicular. What is the condition? A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equal to 0. It means dot product equal to 0. Two planes are perpendicular means 90 degrees. L1 L2 are parallel. L1 and L2 are parallel. Means L1 is parallel to L2. L1 is parallel to L2. Then ratio means A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Direction ratio is proportional. Means ratio is equal, constant. So L1 and L2 are parallel. Next, perpendicular meaning parallel meaning. L1 L2 are neither parallel nor perpendicular. Then here perpendicular means theta equal to 90 degrees. Then theta equal to 90 degrees. Theta equal to 90 degrees. Here angle. So here parallel means theta equal to 0 degrees. Here neither parallel nor perpendicular. So cos inverse equal to A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 divided by square root of A1 square plus A2 square A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square square root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. These three conditions verify all problems in 13th video. 3 marks or 2 marks. 3 marks में दे सकते 2 marks. So 3 marks दिए तो 3 conditions verification करना पड़ता है. So first condition, second condition, it is third condition. See here. What is the question? In the following cases, determine whether the given planes are parallel or perpendicular. Parallel or perpendicular. And in a case they are neither parallel भी नहीं है, perpendicular भी. Find the angle between them. So use these formulas. 3 conditions. So plane equation is this, plane equation is 2 plane equations given here. This is one plane equation. This is another plane equation. Here A1 value A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 here. C2. Right. So formula you know, first verification concerns parallel perpendicular verification. Perpendicular verification. Perpendicular or not verification. So A1 A2 means 7 into 3 plus B1 B2 5 into minus 1 plus 6 into minus 10 6 into minus 10 next 21 minus 5 minus 60 minus 44. So it is not equal to 0. So two planes are not perpendicular. L1 is perpendicular to L2. Right. Next, parallel condition verification. Parallel के लिए A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2 condition. So what is the A1? 3 by 7 by 3 equal to 5 by minus 1 equal to 6 by minus 10 होना, but not equal. These fractions are not equal. So not parallel. So perpendicular भी नहीं है, parallel भी नहीं. So perpendicular हुए, parallel नहीं होता. Parallel हुए, perpendicular नहीं होता. दोनों भी नहीं हुआ, parallel भी नहीं हुआ, perpendicular नहीं हुआ. Find the angle. So first cos theta equal to numerator के A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2. So already we calculated here minus 44 numerator. Next, magnitude of A1 means 7 square plus 5 square plus 6 square root 111. Here 3 square, 1 square, 10 square. 10 square means 100. 100 plus 9, 109 plus 1, 110. Square root of 110, square root of 110. So root cancel, only 110. Magnitude positive. So 44 by 110. So cos you take that side. Cos inverse of 44 by 110. 22 table से cancel किया तो 22 2s are 22 5s are. So theta equal to cos inverse of 2 by 5. This is the angle between two planes. So the two planes are not perpendicular, not parallel. So angle 2 by 5. This is 2 marks or 3 marks. Very important problem. You remain these three conditions in mind. Very important. Perpendicular means A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equal to 0. Parallel means A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Not parallel, neither perpendicular means cos theta equal to cos inverse of A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 divided by under root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square square root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. These three conditions apply 13th question. Remaining B, C, D, E. These 4 questions homework. Okay. Okay. Last in this chapter, 11.3 exercise, 14th question. So first, listen this formula carefully. The distance between point and the given plane. Distance. So this is the plane equation. D equal to ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 minus d divided by under root of direction ratios a square plus b square plus c square. A square plus b square plus c square. Right. Distance. So simple. In the following cases, find the distance of each of the given point from the corresponding plane. Point to plane. Distance, point to plane. Very important. 2 marks question is. 2 marks. Formula. So simple. This is point origin given here. It is a plane equation. So you know that D equal to ax1 minus 4y1 plus 12 z1 minus 3 modulus square root of a square minus 4 square plus 12 square. It is equal to 9, 16, 144. 16, 9, 140. Sorry, 6, 144, 16, 9. Addition किया तो square root of 169. This is 0, 0, 0 minus 3. Magnitude modulus 3 by 13. Root square root of 169, 13. This is your answer. Same method. This is a point. This is plane. Distance from the point. This question. Distance from the origin. This plane is distance of the origin. 3 by 13. Here same d equal to 2 x1 means 3 x1 y1 z1. So x1 y1 z1 put here. 2 into 3 minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 2 here 2 into 1 2 into 1 1 into 2 into 1 2 into 1 next plus 3 divided by 2 square minus 1 square plus 2 square. It is equal to this simplification 6 minus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3. 6 total 13 divided by 4 4 1 means total 9. So 9 means square root of 9 means 13. Sorry 3. 13 divided by 3. So magnitude means 13 divided by 3. This is the distance point to plane. Distance point to plane. Don't confuse. Okay. D equal to point plane given to here. D equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c z1 minus d divided by square root of a1 square plus b1 square a square plus b square plus c square. Okay guys. Total 3D chapter completed. All questions remaining example problems and miscellaneous questions you do in homework, you do in home carefully, you get total 11 marks this chapter weightage. So 1 mark question 1, 2 marks question 1, 3 marks question 1, 5 marks question 1. 5 marks question theorems very important. I told that before classes. You learn must and should. You follow all these types of questions. Very important chapter. You are scoring annual examination. Okay. Thank you guys.